Subscribe Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel for getting more online video. Good morning friends. I am your Dr. Sadik. Welcome to Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel. Today we discuss concept and problems on compound interest. What friends? Concept and problems on compound interest. By using my tricks, you can solve any problem in compound interest within 45 seconds friends. Please hit the like button, share this video and comment in the comment box. Let us see the concept of compound interest through an example. What friends? Compound interest. Let us see the example. Ramesh borrowed an amount of 100 rupees at the rate of 50% per annum from Srinu for 2 years. Find the compound interest. What friends? Find the compound interest. I want to find the compound interest by using the plane friends, because we can easily understand what is the concept of compound interest. Let us see. Say this is x-axis and this is y-axis friends. On the x-axis I want to take years friends, years. On the y-axis I want to take amount. So 0, how many years friends? 2 years. So 1, 2, 3, etc. Amount friends 100 rupees. So I want to take here 50, 100, 150, 200. Initially what is the amount friends? 100 rupees. So 100 rupees. I want to calculate interest for the first year friends, for the first year. In 100 rupees 50% means what is the value? 50 rupees friends. So for the first year 50 rupees. Now we are adding this 50 rupees to principal amount. Now we get, what is the amount friends? 150 rupees. Now this 150 rupees is principal amount. Now this 150 rupees is principal amount. Now we are calculating for the next year friends, for the next year. For the 150 rupees 50% means what is the value? Exactly 75 rupees. 75 rupees. See friends, for the first year 50 rupees, for the second year 75 rupees interest. So you add them 50 plus 75. What is the value friends? 125. So this 125 is compound interest. This 125 is compound interest. If you take the simple interest friends, the principal amount is same, the interest remains same friends. If it is 50 rupees, the second year also 50 rupees friends. See, compound interest means interest on interest friends, and simple interest is uniform friends. Compound interest is interest on interest. Simple interest means the interest is same the entire year on the principal amount. Let us see what is the definition of compound interest. Compound interest. If at the end of the year, see friends here, at the end of the year, what are other fixed time? What friends? Other fixed time. Other fixed time means here it may be half yearly. Half yearly means 6 months. It may be quarterly. Quarterly means 1/4. That means 4 months. Okay. Any period friends, any period. Fixed time period. The interest that has become due, okay, is added to the sum. See friends, this added to the sum friends, then it becomes 150 here. So it becomes added everywhere, added to the sum, and the amount thus obtained becomes principal. This becomes 150 becomes principal for the next period. See friends, for the next period the process is repeated, then the money is said to be lent at compound interest. This is the definition of compound interest. Let us say formula. Interest is compounded annually. Annually means yearly. Annually means yearly. See the formula. Amount A, that is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. What is amount formula, friends? P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. What is n, friends? Number of years. R, rate of percent per annum. P, friends, amount, principal amount, var or sum. Now let us see the formula of compound interest, friends. Compound interest, that is equal to A minus P, friends, P. Then I got compound interest. If you follow this procedure, it will take about 10 to 15 minutes, friends. About 10 to 15 minutes. But I want to solve any problem within 1 minute, friends. Within 1 minute. So that I want to simplify the formula, friends. I want to simplify this formula. Let us see how it is. See compound interest, friends. What about A, friends? What about A? P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n minus P. I want to take in common P, friends. P. Then I get here 1 plus R by 100 whole power n minus 1. Suppose if I am taking n is equal to 1 for 2%, friends. N is equal to 1 for 2%. So we get here P into 1 plus R value is 2 by 100 whole power 1, friends, minus 1. See, friends, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 2 by 100 means we get 50. That is equal to P into 1 by 50. P into 1 by 50. That means here n is equal to 1 here. 2% means we get 1 by 50. If you remember 1 by 50, we can solve this problem within 30 seconds, friends. No doubt at all. Okay. See here. 1 by 50. You multiply with P, friends. P. Then I got directly here. Compound interest. Directly. If you follow this procedure, first you are finding A, friends. Whenever you find A, it will take at least 10 minutes, friends. Then you are applying here. Then we would have done a small mistakes. Okay, friends. It is better to follow this procedure. Okay, right. So for n is equal to 1, 2%, 1 by 50, friends. Now for n is equal to 2. See here. N is equal to 2. P into 1 plus R by 100. What is the rate of interest, friends? 2. So 2 by 100. R is equal to 2 by 100 whole square minus 1. That is equal to 2 in 100 50 times. So 1 by 50 means LCM is 50. 51s are 50 plus 1. 51 by 50 whole square minus 1. So that is equal to P. P is common, friends, here. P into, see here, 51 square. The LCM is 50 square, friends. So we get a 50 square whole square. So that is equal to P into 51 whole square, friends. 51 whole square. That means 51 into 51. 51. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. Then I get here 1062. 2601. 2601 minus 2500 divided by 2500. So we get here, subtract, then we get 2601 minus 2500. Simply 101 by 2500. 101 by 2500. See, friends, here 101 by 2500. 101 by 2500. Now we can simply remember, friends, here. We can simply remember. See here. 50 into 2, friends. 50 into 2. Okay, we get 100. 100 plus 1. 100 plus 1. We get 101 divided by 50. Here we have 2, n is equal to, so 50 square friends, 50 square, then we get 2500, then we get 2500. Okay, now for this value, for getting this value, see here, 2500 into 3 friends. Okay, then add 101, then we add 50 friends, 50. Okay, let us see how it is. 2500 into 3, 0 0 3 5s are 15. Okay, 7500 plus 101 plus 50 but then we get here 1 5 6 7. See here, 7651. Okay friends, once again here 2500 into 3 plus 101 plus 50, then we get 7651 friends, 7651. And then 50 cube friends, 50 cube means we get here 1,25,000, 1,25,000. If you remember this table, at least we can solve any problem. If you given a percentage is 2%, 4%, 5%, 10%, and the years are 1 2 3, we can solve within 30 seconds friends, no doubt at all. Okay, now let us see for 4% friends. 4% means 4 by 100. 4% means 4 by 100. Okay, then we get 1 by 25. Apply the same logic friends. 50 into 2. 25 into 2. 50 plus 1. 51 by 25 square, 625. Now 625 into 3 plus 51 plus 25. Then we get 1951 by 25 cube. 15625. 5% friends. 5%. 1 by 20. Okay. 5 by 100. 1 by 20. For n is equal to 20 into 2. 20 into 2. 40 plus 1. 41 by 20 square. 400. Now this time friends, n is equal to 3. 400 into 3. 1200. 1200 plus 41. 1241 plus 20. 1261 by 20 cube. 8000. We can easily remember friends. 10% same. 10 by 100. 1 by 10. Okay, 10 into 2. 20 plus 1. 21 by 100. Now 100 into 3. 300 plus 21. 321 plus 10. 331 by 10 cube. 1000. Okay. If you remember this table, okay friends, if you given the values 2%, 4%, 5% and 10% and n is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you remember this value, we can solve any problem maximum within 30 seconds friends, within 30 seconds. Okay, please remember this table. Let us see another formula friends. Compounded half yearly. What friends? Previously it is annually, now it is half yearly, that means 6 months. 6 months. So A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 by 100 whole power 2n friends, whole power 2n. Okay, half yearly means R by 2 whole power 2n. Okay, so what is the difference here friends? Previously we have R by 100 whole power n. Now half yearly means by 2. So by 2 whole power 2n. Multiply with 2 friends here. Okay, and then compounded quarterly. Quarterly means you can guess friends. Quarterly means you can guess. So A that is equal P into 1 plus R by 4. Quarterly means by 4. By 100 whole power 4n friends. Whole power 4n. Okay, up to here okay friends. Now if we given like this friends, n is equal to 2 by 5 years. N is equal to 2 by 5 years. Please remember here friends, sometimes he given in months friends. Months. You have to convert into years. You have to convert into years. So the formula. A that is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole square. See here. For 2 years you write whole square. For the fraction you write another term friends. So 1 plus 2 by 5. Here we have 2 by 5. So that 2 by 5 R by 100. Suppose if we have 4 by 5, then you write 4 by 5. Or 10 by 5, you write 10 by 5. Whatsoever the value here, you write there. Okay. Now let us see the difference between simple interest and compound interest formula friends. Let us see. Let us see the formula of difference between simple interest and compound interest. When the difference between simple interest and compound interest is given by difference. What friends? He given difference. See here, difference, D that is equal friends, difference friends. So compound interest minus compound interest minus simple interest. Okay friends, now you apply the formula here, compound interest formula and simple interest formula friends, and simplify it at the rate of interest r% for n is equal to 2 years friends, for n is equal to 2 years. Then you get the formula P that is equal to 100 square d by r square. What friends? 100 square d by r square. The formula is very important friends. You have to remember this formula. You have to remember this formula friends. Right. For n is equal 3 years. For n is equal 3 years. P that is equal to 100 cube d by r square into 300 plus r. Once again friends, capital P that is equal to 100 cube d by r square into 300 plus r. 300 plus r. That means by using these formulas, we can find P value, principal amount value, or difference value, or r value. Okay friends, important. Now let us see small problems friends. Find the compound interest on 10,000 for 2 years at 4% per annum. What friends? First I want to explain regular procedure friends. So amount formula that is equal to P into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n friends, whole power n. So that is equal to, what is P? P is 10,000, n friends 2 years, r 4%. So 10,000 into 1 plus r value friends, 4 by 100 whole power 2, that is equal to 4 in 100, 25 times. So we get here 10,000 into 25 into 1, 25 plus 1, 26 by 25 whole square, 26 by 25 whole square. So that is equal to 10,000 into 26 by 25 into 26 by 25. In 25 in 10,000, 400 times friends. Again 25 in 400, say one time, okay, 125, 25, 15, 150 means 6 friends, 6. So multiply friends, multiply. We get here 26 into 26, we get 36, 12, 15, 6 2s are 12, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 into 16 friends, into 16 we get here 36, 42, 45, 5, 4, 36, 4, 40, 6, 76, we get 6, 11, 8, 10. Okay friends, we get here 10,816 friends, 10,816. This is amount friends. So calculate compound interest, that is equal to A minus P. So A is 10,816 minus P friends. P means 10,000. That is equal to, we get interest is 816 friends, 816. That means it take approximately lot of time friends, lot of time. I told you one formula friends. By applying that formula, we can solve this problem within 30 seconds or 45 seconds friends. Let us see how. Second method, 4%. 4% means 4 by 100. 4 by 100 means 4 by 100. 1 by 25 friends. 1 by 25. How many years? 2 years. So into 2 friends. Into 2. 25 into 2, 50. 50 plus 1. 51. 51 by 25 square. 25 square means we get here 625 into principal amount friends. Principal amount is 10,000. 10,000. That is equal to, directly we calculate compound interest friends. Compound interest. See here 25 and 25. How many times friends? In 10,000? 16 times. So 625 then 16 times. So 51 into 16 friends. 6 ones are 6. 6 5s are 30. 51. See friends, 618. 816. See friends, 816 we get within 45 seconds or 30 seconds friends. 31. So it is better to apply this procedure friends. We can solve the problem within 35 to 30 to 45 seconds, friends. Let us see another problem. 24,000, for 24,000 is P, friends, n 3 years. Okay, rate of interest is say R, friends. 5% means 5 by 100, that is equal to 1 by 20, friends. I told you for the values, friends. What is the value for 2 years? For 2 years we get here 20 into 2, 40. Okay, 40 plus 1, 41 by 400. For 3 years, friends, for the 3 years into 3, 1200 plus 40. That means we get here 1261 by 20 cube. 20 cube means 8000. Okay, friends, that means here 1261 by 8000 into 2400. So 24,000. They cancel. 28 and 24 3 times. So simply multiply, friends. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 1, 3 2s are 6, 7, 3 ones are 3. So simply compound interest is 3783. If you remember this table, we can solve the problem. Less than 30 seconds or 45 seconds, friends. No doubt at all. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.